More than 4,500 years ago, long before steel engines or electricity, humanity accomplished something that still defies complete explanation. Rising from the edge of the Egyptian desert, the Great Pyramid of Giza is not merely a monument of stone.
Imagine the Great Pyramid not as a ruin, but as a gleaming beacon.
It is a declaration of human ambition, precision.
The alignment must match Sirius perfectly at the summer solstice.
We will adjust the foundation accordingly, prioritizing the eastern axis.
Hold the line taut.
It is secure.
Drive the peg.
Long before the first stone was laid, the Giza Plateau was an unforgiving, sun-baked expanse of rock and sand.
Heave, lift! Heave, lift!
You, pull harder on that rope.
And belief, a structure so enduring that it has outlived kingdoms, religions, and entire civilizations. This is the story of how it was built. Around 2580 BCE, Egypt stood at the height of its old kingdom. The Nile River was the lifeblood of a highly organized society, sustaining agriculture, trade, and centralized power. At its center ruled Pharaoh Khufu, not just a king, but a divine figure believed to be the living bridge between gods and men. To the ancient Egyptians, death was not an end. It was a transition, and Khufu demanded a tomb that would guarantee his eternal journey into the afterlife. A structure designed not for generations, but for eternity itself. The Giza Plateau was no accident. This elevated limestone bedrock offered a stable foundation strong enough to support millions of tons of stone. Its proximity to the Nile allowed materials to be transported efficiently, while its visibility ensured the monument would dominate the horizon forever. Ancient surveyors arrived with simple tools, wooden rods, ropes, and sighting instruments, yet achieved astonishing precision. Using the stars, they aligned the pyramid almost perfectly with the cardinal directions. Even today, the margin of error is less than a fraction of a degree. Before a single stone was laid, the geometry of eternity had already been drawn.
Heave, men! Pull together now! Secure that block! We are falling behind schedule.
Steady. Together now. Heave. Lower it down slowly.
With the foundation marked, construction began.
Heave now!
The
Together!
scale was
Pull,
unprecedented.
brothers, pull!
Over 2.3 million stone blocks would be required. Most weighed between
Pull
2
now,
and 3
heave!
tons, some far more.
To the right,
Local
steady!
limestone formed the pyramid's core, quarried directly from the plateau itself. But the outer casing demanded perfection.
The pharaoh demanded monuments to the gods, and thousands labored under the unforgiving sun to build them.
We build for the great king.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Pull and heave! Pull and heave! Up the ramp for the pharaoh! Heave! Lift for the pharaoh! Heave! Lift! Raise the stone!
For that, smooth white limestone was transported from Tura across the Nile. Granite dense, unyielding stone came all the way from Aswan, over 800 kilometers to the south. Reserved for the king's chamber, every stone had a
Pull
purpose.
together now, men! Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave together, lift and pull. Heave together, lift and pull. Pull together now. Heave and lift. Heave and lift. Keep it moving up the ramp.
Every decision served eternity.
Heave, pull, heave, pull. stone for the Pharaoh's home. Heave, ho! Heave, ho!
Heave! Pull harder, men! Move that block now! Pull! Harder! Move the sledge to the north side! Steady, steady! Now set the wedges.
Contrary to long-standing myths, the Great Pyramid was not built by slaves. Archaeological evidence reveals a highly organized workforce, skilled laborers, engineers, masons, and
Pull
seasonal
harder, you
farmers
dogs.
working during
Keep
the
the
Nile's
pace.
annual flood. They lived in purpose-built settlements, received medical care, and followed strict logistical planning. This was not
Pull, you
chaos.
dogs!
It was one of the earliest examples of large-scale project management in human history.
Layer by layer, the impossible took shape. A monument built for eternity.
Pull together now. Heave and pull.
As the ramps narrowed, the danger grew, yet the work gangs pushed ever upward towards the sun.
Faster! Move the stone!
We build forever. Have, lift, have.
As the structure rose higher, the engineering challenge intensified. The ramps became steeper. Thousands labored to create this wonder, moving stone blocks that weighed as much as elephants.
Steady, men! Push on the lever! Now, all together! Heave!
The Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to the enduring power of the pharaohs, bathed in the first light of dawn.
Pull together now!
Heave! Ho, ho. Pull! Heave, ho! Heave, ho!
Heave. Pull together now. Move the stone into place.
More effort on that block. And you, make the carvings deeper. The gods must see them clearly.
Pull! Lift! Pull!
Heave! Together now. We must not fail. Pull now, pull hard. For the great temple. Steady, push! To the left. Pull, all of you. Hold it steady. Lower it now. Have. Push it now. Into place.
Emerging from the darkness, the sheer scale of the new kingdom's devotion is revealed, a testament to the enduring power of the pharaohs. The transition to the final casing phase marked a monumental step in the pyramid's construction, demanding precision and coordination.
Transition to final casing phase.
The white Tura limestone casing stones were polished to a mirror finish, reflecting the sun's blinding light across the desert.
Heave and polish. Heave and polish. Make it shine under Ra's sun.
Heave! Push it harder! Pull, pull, pull! Pull together now! Heave!
We pull! It is set! The gods are pleased!
The culmination of decades of labor, the Ben Bennett stone is finally set in place, completing the sacred mountain.
Hail the Pharaoh! We celebrate this great achievement.
Long live the king!
Built to honor the gods, these monuments were designed to last for eternity. The transition toward the modern era begins here, in the heart of ancient Egypt, where the epic...
As the centuries turn and the stars whirl above the sands of Egypt, this great monument...
Behold, the land of the pharaohs, where the Nile breathes life into the golden sands of Giza.
This is the city of Cairo, the heart of ancient Egypt, where the Nile breathes life in...
Push harder! Move the stone!
We build for the eternal Pharaoh.
Even today, the sheer scale of the Great Pyramid dwarfs the modern traveler, a testament to the ambition of the ancients. As the sun sets, the true purpose of the pyramid is revealed. A cosmic clock echoes. Under the relentless sun, thousands toiled for decades to erect these monumental tombs, securing passage to the afterlife.
Pull harder for the glory of Ra.
Heave, lift, move the stone now.
For centuries, the priests of Ra maintained this sacred ground, a monument to the eternal glory of Egypt.